Introducing People and Vehicles Tracker. This small device will allow you to remotely track the position of a car or, for example, a family member, as well as the traveled route. The set includes GPS transmitter, USB cable, car charger, SIM card. The device is ready to use after you turn it on. The diodes on the side of the transmitter indicate the SIM card, GPS signal, charge status, motion report activation, and low battery. Next to the diodes, there is a button activating an additional motion or stillness report. The basic tracking function does not require much configuration. You just need to turn on the device and place it in your employee's car or a child's backpack. To check the position of the tracker, log in to www.gpsguardian.pl. The default login and password are the last 6 digits of the serial number. For safety reasons, we recommend to change the password. After you log in, you can see a route of the tracker marked on a map. If you choose a certain date, you can see all the routes traveled in a month, for example by your employee. You can receive notifications, for instance when a business car is still instead of moving, or when your employee is not making required breaks from driving the car. You just need to activate and configure the motion and stillness report. You can choose from a number of rules generating the notifications, such as a stopover time, area where the vehicle can move, maximum speed, and many more. Additionally, you can connect the tracker to the car computer and receive notifications about fuel consumption, temperature of the engine, and many more car parameters. You can also remotely cut the fuel supply, which will protect your car from being stolen. If you don't have access to the website, you can receive all information by SMS. You can add a hermetic case for the tracker and an extra battery, which allows the device to work for about a month. Thanks to a neodymium magnet, you can place the casing under a desired vehicle, for example construction machines. You will monitor a child or an elderly person to check whether, for instance, they have fainted or had an accident. Additionally, you can call the tracker or monitor the sounds. There is a button on the top panel which can be pressed to send an SOS signal to a predetermined phone number. It can be useful, for instance, for people hiking the mountains alone. Please remember to regularly charge the SIM card or pay subscription so that the tracker can send reports.